to Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Well, let me put my coffee down here and see what we got coming up on the calendar. All right, well, bad weather yesterday, so didn't get to play golf.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Can you help me, Mommy?
Aunt Sissy.
Aunt Sissy, happy birthday to you. I love you, Aunt Sissy.
Happy birthday, Miss Sarah.
Happy birthday, Sarah. Hope you have a great one.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Sarah. I love you, I miss you, and here's to the next 40 years.
Happy birthday, Sarah. Love you.
Marcus is going to camp this weekend, so we'll be without him. Got a Bowling Green visit on Monday with him. That'll be okay. Golf Wednesday with my buddy Brock.
Happy 40th to one of my absolute best friends in the entire world. You are so special, so important, so valued, so loved, and I hope you know how very, very, very much I adore you, and I could not do this life without you. So, happy 40th.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, sis. Love you. Miss you.
Happy 40th birthday, Sarah. We love you.
Let's see, Thursday, November 3rd. Thursday, November 3rd.
Happy birthday, my beautiful niece. I can't believe it's been 40 years since the day you were born. You were my first baby in my life, and I loved it so much. I hope this day with all your family is a blessing to you, as you have been a blessing to all of us. I love you, my sweet girl.
Wishing you a very happy birthday all the way from Cleveland. We love you and miss you and hope you have a great 40th birthday. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
Hi, honey. It's a happy 40th birthday. Grandma wish she could be there to celebrate with you. I love you very much. I can't believe I have a 40-year-old granddaughter. Enjoy your day with all your lovely family. Love you all.
Hey, Sarah. Not sure if you can hear me, but I am in Nashville wishing you a happy 40. I'm so glad that we met many years ago, and I hope that this is us here. Me, you, and Nick sooner than later. Have a good one. Love ya.
Happy birthday. Can you tell Aunt Sissy happy birthday?
Happy sister.
Say I love you.
Yay.
Oh yeah, gosh darn it. Yeah, Rose even put it on there. Got my shoulder surgery. That's gonna be a pain. Let's see, November 3rd, something else happened November 3rd.
Happy 40th, Sarah! So wish that I could be there to celebrate your birthday with you. Even though we were just together, I feel like we need to plan something else, like really, really soon. Just in case. I don't think we celebrated well enough the first time. But where do I even begin with you? You are the friend that taught me that grilled cream cheese is better than any other kind of grilled cheese. You're the one I rollerblade with in brand new jeans for school. No matter if we're good or not, they won't get holes in them, right? You're the one that I sing Moulin Rouge at the top of my lungs with in the car, and preferably not on a cold day and trying to put your convertible top down. And you're also the friend who literally encourages me to do what's best for me no matter what it takes, to not give up, no matter how hard it is. You have my back no matter what I have going on or whatever it is that I need. You are a true, solid, incredible friend. And I just hope you feel as special as you are on this day. And again, I wish I could give you a big hug and be there with you, but I love you and hope you have a great time. Bye.
We gotta tell you about this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sissy. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! I hope you have an awesome birthday. I wish I could be there to celebrate with you. I miss you, I love you. I'm so thankful to have you in my life still after all these years. So cheers to you, my friend.
Happy birthday, Sarah. I told Uncle Morgan this week that Sarah's gonna be 40. Hard to believe. And he said, you mean that little girl that said, where's the moon? Where's the moon? And I said, yep, that's her. So we have 40 years of wonderful memories of you, and I couldn't love you more. I hope your birthday is great. Wish I could be with you to celebrate it, but that's life. And just know I'll be thinking of you, and I love you dearly, sweetie. Love you.
That's Sarah's birthday. That's what that is. Boy, am I glad we had Marcus and Thomas. What a pain in the neck she is. Would not have wanted to raise her. Oh well, she's family. Might as well wish her a happy birthday. My understanding is this is a pretty special birthday right now anyway.
Happy birthday, Sarah. We hope you have a great day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi, sweet Sarah. I hope you have the best birthday ever, my friend. I love you. I miss you. I wish I could be there to celebrate with you, but you know how kids sports go, so I'm missing out. Anyways, hope you have the best day, the best birthday party, and I love you, and I'll see you soon, I hope.
Say happy birthday, Sissy. Say happy birthday, Sissy. Say I love you. Okay, happy birthday.
Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
We just wanted to send our love to you on your big 4-0. We're really sad that we're not spending it with you, but you know hockey calls. So hopefully we can make up for the missed drinks together, but we hope you know how much we love you and wish you the happiest of birthdays. We love you.
We love you. Happy birthday.
Have fun.
Happy birthday, sweetie. Have a great day.